Show me one out. Fine, I'll give him a moon charm. No, this one. That was a waste of a moon charm. Nope, it did nothing. It does increases his bounce. That's the only bee that's level 6. The brave bee and the 6 frosty bee. Level 7. I'm just gonna make new boots. If I have enough, I mean, well, wait. I could lose a lot of things. I mean, I just want the boots. They could make a hat, but you need honey also. You need to pay up also. I don't think I have enough. I don't think I have enough honey for new. Which I wasted almost all of my honey for this red thing on my shoulder, which is a really waste of time. Man. But I can get the money back with the street dispenser. Okay. I recommend use the dispensers with treats or the blueberries because it gives you more than just honey. But I really recommend to do this. You can go to every single dispenser and use it. That way it gives you more honey. Now, these sisters are. I'm just here for that. What? These are so expensive. And I already have this. I'm so confused right now. The pro breeders stuff are so expensive. Man. Yeah, I think I should spend my money on this red thing. It's completely useless for me. Some people it aren't because they have the correct bee something. I don't know. But I would say what did I get myself into? I'm gonna be here for a while until I fight. Oh my, would you look at that? My bees are really loud up. No, it sucks now. Can somebody tell me how to even defeat this thing? I think I need a bigger level B. Guess I'll be using a lot of royal jelly. And I don't think it's even gonna go 1,000. Gonna go down. Yeah, I need to level up my bees. Definitely. Yeah, what can I use? Yeah, I definitely have nothing that could help up. I could try and give them some royal jelly and make it a better bee because I'm gonna try on the lowest level, or should I try the highest level for the frosty bee, which is level 6. Try and see if it gives me something good. Frosty, gonna look in mine. Man, touching on. Please give me something good, please. Please, Frosty bee. A bumblebee. Let's try another. I guess that'll work. I'm gonna try decided, and I'm gonna try it on the. I'm gonna try it on the blue, the one. I mean, I have two. One level more increaser than the level 6 one. I hope I get something good. Please. Usually. Why did I just waste it on my gold? Shit. It gave me the same thing again. Whatever. Come on. I just wanted something good. I'm just gonna feed him treats. I'm just gonna feed him.
I need a sheep.
Wait. You know I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video right now. Anyways, I'm just gonna feed someone 50 out and increases her the pineapple gift. I'd rather use the moon charm or the berry because it gives a small of 50% chance. Man, that's a waste of some stuff. I could level up my level 6 bees to level 7 bees. Level them up. Yep, I could have. What did I just do? Oh my god, I only have 4 strawberries left. Oh my god. Why did I do that? You know what? I can just feed them blueberries. Yep. Or a pineapple. What? Worth it. Yeah, I needed that pineapple from the... I definitely needed that pineapple. Anyways, worth it. 2 bees more to go. Gotta check their bond. Bruh. Gonna try two brave bees coming up. Yeah, I'm just gonna level on that more. I don't like. I'm just gonna give them 1 berry jelly too because I don't use another. Oh no, I didn't have. Oh, never mind, I did. Yeah, I could use that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god. Wait. What? Can somebody tell me what the? Oh, I can just look and then. Get the strawberries. What is? Well, that was a waste of time. The crafty bee makes bomber bee. Story crafty bee makes bombs which collect pollen from all nearby flowers. Little useful. Well, so I got better bees than that. Alright, tell me what should I play next. And like and subscribe, follow my Twitter. I see you guys next time. Bye. 1 second. Right.